Hello guys, it's Float here, and today guys I'll be showing you how to make your own free animated Discord profile banner. If you haven't heard about Discord profile banners, well, Discord has released this feature 2 weeks ago. It's really nice to use and it's only available for Discord Nitro Boost users. Not for Nitro Classic, only for the $10 Nitro users. Maybe you cannot afford to buy Nitro Boost, or maybe you're not allowed to buy it. Well, I have you covered. Today's sponsor is Salad. You may be wondering what Salad is. Salad is a crypto miner that uses your GPU's idle power to mine Salad currency. You can get Salad money also by inviting your friends to Salad. And what you can buy with your Salad currency, you can buy gaming gift cards and games. You can also buy Discord Nitro too. How will you know that Salad will legitimately give you a Discord Nitro or your reward? Well, Salad has partnered with Discord and they own a Discord server. It's verified by Discord themselves. You can join. The invite is discord.gg/salad. To start, go to the link in the description and download Salad and sign up and start mining and keep Salad running on your desktop while sleeping. And use my referral code FLOAT to earn double your earnings. Hope this helped you. And before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and join my Discord server. The link will also be in the description. The link will also be on the screen. And let's get right into the video. So first of all, you want to go to the website called auto.creative.co. The link will be on screen. The link will also be in the description. Then it should take you to this page. Then you want to see animated banners, Discord icons, Discord profile banners. We'll be talking about animated banners and Discord icons later in the future, but today we want to talk about Discord profile banners. So first of all, you want to click on Discord profile banners and wait for it to load. Then you can scroll down to see the templates. They have Prism, Comets, Botang, Strokes, Vivid, Binary. Okay, so I'm gonna use Comets. It's the most one I liked. Okay, then you want to wait for it to load. Then you want to scroll down again, and you can see that you can put the name or the text that you want to put on the banner over here. So I'm gonna put Float YouTube. Okay, then you can choose the color that you want to put, and it can show you how the color will look right here in the left of the screen. So I'm gonna put it blue. Then you want to verify yourself. Then you just want to press render, and it should take like 20 seconds or 2 minutes if it has a lot of people using the app right now. So I'm gonna be back with you when it's done rendering my graphics. Okay guys, so I'm back right now, and now it's done making and rendering my animated Discord profile banner. You can use static and you can use animated. I'm gonna use animated because Discord allows you to use it animated if you have Discord Nitro Boost. Anyways, you wanna press download, and it's gonna start downloading your GIF. It's like 7 MB only. Okay, so when it's done downloading, go to your Discord and upload it to your profile banner. Then you want to join the Discord server and you want to support them a little bit if it helps you. The Discord server is called discord.gg/creative. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I helped you today. And make sure to join my Discord server and subscribe and like, and make sure to check out Salad in the description. And see you in the next one. Goodbye.